Hi everyone, it's Terry here from nutsaboutsstamping.com. I want to show you in this video how easy it is to join my team and to join Stampin' Up! As a demonstrator. During celebration, there are two amazing offers for joining, which is the reason for this video. So the first option is to select $175 in product for only $99, and that includes free shipping. The second option has an add-on. You select $175 in product and add our new craft tote to your starter kit. This kit is $129 and it also includes free shipping. In the YouTube description box below, or in my blog post about joining Stampin' Up, if that's where you're watching this video, I have provided a link for signing up. Click on the link and you'll land on this page that you see on the screen in front of you. Make sure my name is at the top, Terry Walker, and you can also contact me at any time if you need some support. Now go partway down this page and you'll see this option that says Join Now. Click on that link and it takes you to this page where you will see try again, where you'll see the Independent Demonstrator Agreement. What you want to do is read this agreement. It's the rules and regulations for being a demonstrator, what you can do, what you can't do, so on and so forth. So you want to make sure that you read these agreements. Once you read them, and you do have the option to print each one, click Acknowledged there, and then you can read the second one or print it out, and then click Acknowledged, and then click Continue. A new page opens and you'll see both of those kit options that I told you about. At this point, you're going to choose whichever kit you want. Again, you can choose the $99 kit, but remember you get $175 worth of product. Or you can choose the $129 kit, which gives you $175 in product, but also the craft and carry tote. So I'm going to choose that option. Now, you also have the option to use a starter kit code. This would be for somebody who hosted a party and has a lot of hostess award dollars, or somebody who gathered a lot of orders from her friends and has put it in as an online order and has this starter kit code. You can apply that to your starter kit, but my recommendation is don't do it. Because once you join Stampin' Up! In my team, you'll get a permanent discount moving forward on everything you purchase. So I would wait and get your discount on future orders. So once you click either yes or no, in this case I would recommend no, then click Apply. Now a page opens, or a drop-down opens, and because I selected this option number 2, it says select your craft and carry tote, so I'll do that. And then you have a new option that appears, and that is a business supplies pack. And it's free, so of course we're going to choose free, but here's why you'd want to choose it. Because it gives you, let me scroll back up a bit, it gives you free catalogs, it gives you one of our Stampin' Success magazines, which is a magazine that comes out, I think it's quarterly, and it's only for demonstrators. It gives you a free paper pumpkin kit, which is always lots of fun, and then it gives you some order forms and other business supplies that a demonstrator would need. So put your dot or click in that inside that little radial button, and then it opens up this page, which is choosing the items that you want for your starter kit. So remember, you get $175 in products, and here it is down here. It shows you that you have that much in choices. So let's say you wanted some or all of your choices to be from the Occasions catalog. So up here are all the areas that you can choose from. So let's say I already have a list of the things that I want to include in my starter kit, because I knew that I was going to choose $175 today. So I'm going to click on the Occasions catalog, and you can see that it gives me 22 pages of options. So I can look at the options on the first page. There's nothing there that I want in my starter kit. In the second page, I love the Beauty Abounds Cling Bundle, so I'm going to add that to my starter kit. And you'll see that this appears now, so it's reduced it, the starter kit price of $179, I'm sorry, not price, the starter kit amount to $119. So it had deducted the $55.75, and it also put it down here. So you can see your kit building as you choose your items. So let me go through again, and I'm going to choose the Well Said Cling Bundle. Love this one. So I'm going to add that to my starter kit, and it shows that I have $42.75 left. So I would continue along the way choosing items that I want. If I didn't want any more from the occasions, I could go back to the everything else. And it would take me back to the page where it shows everything else that I could choose from. If you already know the item numbers from the catalog, you can actually search by them. You can also filter by the amount, which is really cool. So if you have $42 left, I could filter and say, okay, what items do I have that are around the 42? Now, here, this item is 43. And one thing I want to tell you is you cannot go over the $175 for your starter kit. And you wouldn't want to do that anyway because you're not getting a permanent discount. So wait until you're a demonstrator and then place your first order and get the permanent discount. So let's just, for the sake of this video, pretend that you have your $175 chosen. You're going to go down here and you're going to click the Continue button. Once you do that, a new page will come up and it'll ask you for your personal information, such as your name, your mailing address, and your billing information. One tip I have for you, because this is going to be a very large box coming from Stampin' Up, you do not want to use a P.O. box number for your mailing address because UPS, which is how this box is going to come, doesn't deliver to a P.O. box. So use your street address. Now on the next page, you'll also be asked for your social security number. So I have another tip for you. Use your full name or the name that matches the name on your social security card. So if you have a nickname, or if you use Joe instead of Joanne or Sue instead of Susan, don't use that nickname or shortened version if it doesn't match your social security card, because it won't go through. Your starter kit won't go through. There'll be an error message that comes up. So use the name that's on your social security card. Once you've entered your payment information, then you're going to click the Enter button and then watch your email, because you're going to get a welcome email from Stampin' Up. This email will give you some additional information that you'll want to save, and it'll also give you a temporary password so you can access our demonstrator-only website. And then as you've signed up to join my team, I will get an email notice from Stampin' Up as well, and I'll be in touch with you very soon with some information about my team so you can get to know us a little bit, and I'll also give you some tips to help you get started with your Stampin' Up experience. So I hope this video has helped you understand how you would join Stampin' Up during celebration. So you have until March 31st to get one of these two amazing deals. If you have any questions, please email me. My email address is above here. I would recommend that you not call my number because I'm out of the country right now and it'll just go to voicemail. So email me here or message me on Facebook and I'll be in touch with you very quickly. I'm Terry. I'm nuts about stamping. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I hope you'll consider joining my team and all of the Stampin' Up fun. Bye for now.